I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Reading Extreme 3D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings and just click here on settings. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Reading Extreme 3D app, or just click on search, then here at Reading Extreme 3D app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just reset, so or you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, search here for Reading Extreme 3D app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.